Okay, they're playing fishing.
Mommy.
Yes, Tyler.
Mommy, Daddy got a fishy and
what?
He got a little fish, and guess what it was, Mom?
What?
Look at that, Steven.
Mommy, look at this fish. Look at
Oh,
look what I got. Awesome, Dad. Awesome.
Got it. I gotta land it. Gotta land it.
Steven caught one.
Got it.
Daddy, Mommy.
What'd I get? Stingray, baby.
Stingray, and Steven caught it.
162 pounds. Yeah, boy.
Steven caught a peacock.
I
think it was a-
peacock bass.
What was it, Steven?
A peacock bass.
Look at me really quick.
Peacock bass.
Wow. You like fishing, Steven? Tyler?
Oh, Dad, get those red bubbles.
Let's see.
Red bubbles are awesome.
What are you doing? No one's playing with you? Yeah, Wookie has not changed a bit. And look, okay, that's where the ball is. Tyler? Careful, Wilkes.
This way.
Tyler, what are you doing? Tyler, go to the bathroom. Naked boy. Wookie. Wookie, where's Pops? Yeah, you're silly,
Oh, look at this,
Wilkes.
Steven.
You're
Right into the
silly.
fall.